My people, you know, well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. Today na World Diabetes Day. Make I tell you some correct gist when go fit help you. Many people don't know say wetin you chop fit raise your sugar. Wetin dem dey call carbohydrate. Things like rice, bread, garri, yam. Once e enter your belle, your body go break am down into sugar. That sugar na glucose. And if this glucose too much for your body, when your body no fit comot am, na im dey cause diabetes. So how you go know say you get diabetes? One, you fit dey drink water well. You go always want drink water. 2, you go always want chop food. 3, you go dey go toilet dey urinate many times. And 4, you go just weak anyhow, you no go get strength. So abeg, if you get any of these things, go check your blood sugar quick. Try to dey make your food, make you not chop too much rice, yam and all those things when go fit be the sugar, apart from sugar when you dey put for your tea. You know say if you healthy, now you go fit do better thing. If you like this video, abeg share am, make you subscribe to my channel so that you go get alert when new video come. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy. Bye bye.